Hi there, this is Preeti Rajamani. I'm presenting my TV show search app which I have developed for my assignment 1. The requirement is we need to build a show search app that lets the user type in and search for a TV show. All the TV show and the information are obtained from TV Maze API, which is a public API that has 100 plus of show information. While the primary use case is to let the user type in and search for a show inspired by popular TV streaming apps, I have designed my application in such a way that it lets the user to search for a show in two different ways. The first option is the user can type in a show name in the input, so that fetches the show information, or I have categorized all the shows and displayed in the main page. The categorizations are based on genre, rating, and release. This lets the user to visually browse through if the user does not know the show name. All the images here are clickable. So by clicking an image, the show details are retrieved. I have used 4 components. The one is the search component, which contains the logo, and this logo is clickable. By clicking the logo, it routes to the home component. The other one is the search input. By typing a show name, it retrieves the show information. So this search input is designed using reactive forms and Angular material. And I've also used some of CSS3 and Bootstrap to design the search component. And the other component is the carousel component. Here I have categorized the shows based on the genre, rating, and the release date. The rating information is already available in the API, so I have displayed all the shows that are rated above 8. And for the new releases, almost all the shows in the API are featured in the early or mid 2010s. So I have taken 2013 as the baseline, and all the shows that are telecasted after 2013 are titled under new releases here. And the genre information is already available in the API, so I have used that information. So the shows are classified like based on the genres like action, adventure, romance, family, and comedy. So all the information are obtained from the API as an array, and to loop through the array I have used ng for loop, and for the condition checks I have used ng ifs. The images are shown like a card by using the Bootstrap card, and to rotate through the images I have used Slick Carousel. The other component is the search detail component. Here the details about the particular shows shown, like the show image, the title, starring, genre, summary, and the list of seasons. So by clicking the season, all the episode details for that particular season is shown in the episode component. So this component shows the summary of an episode and the runtime and the feature date. I have used Angular routing to navigate from one component to other component, and I have used 3 different API and 3 interfaces for fetching the data and mapping the data in my application. And I have used CSS3, Bootstrap, and Angular material to style and design the UI. Thank you.